To complete this repair, you will need 1 square foot of vinyl wrap material, some cleaner degreaser, a pair of scissors, and a heat gun. 1 square foot of vinyl can be purchased for under $6 from Amazon or eBay. First, cut the vinyl into a few 2 by 3 inch squares. You can make a template to help the sizing be more precise. If you've never worked with vinyl wrapping before, cut plenty of extra squares and plan on making a few attempts to get this right. Next, spray the area around the hole with a small amount of degreaser. And then wipe down the area with a water-dampened cloth, then wipe down with a clean dry cloth. Be sure to get the gap between the bumper and the turn signals. Next, hold the vinyl stick side up and slide it into the gap above the turn signal and firmly press the vinyl against the bumper. Now gently pull the vinyl up and over the hole, pressing the right side down first and then pressing down the left corner and then the top. It's important to do this gently so the hole you're covering doesn't cause an impression in the vinyl. Next, carefully apply the heat gun to the lower left corner of the vinyl. Make sure the heat only hits this corner. This will cause the vinyl to shrink and conform to the shape of the bumper. Once the vinyl starts to shrink, push it against the bumper. You may need to repeat this step a few times. Once the repair is done correctly, it will be invisible from some angles and slightly visible from others, but chances are, no one will ever notice it.